And happening now, a jury in Montgomery County is deliberating in the case of two men on trial for a deadly home invasion. A 25-year-old man was killed and his mother was paralyzed. Bernadette Gaudio remained in court as defense attorneys tried to convince a jury the two suspects are not responsible for her son's murder. NBC 10's Deanna Durante has been in the courtroom all week and joins us live now with the latest. Deanna.
That courtroom A here in the Montgomery County Courthouse, now it's empty. The jury has gone to their deliberation rooms to begin deciding the fate of two men in this case. Two men that prosecutors say were armed and ready for violence on December 8th, that they were going to show up to a home and hold up an 82-year-old man and force that man and his wife to open up a gun safe. The prosecutors telling the jury that they believe that those men were going to kill no matter what in order to get what they wanted. Problem is, they were in the wrong house. Stolen items from the victim's home was in Kelvin Roberts' house, police say. But his defense attorney spent time telling a jury it wasn't Roberts who planned the deadly home invasion on Meredith Road on December 8th. That, he says, was Charles Fulforth and another man who will face trial in September. Frank Genovese told a jury his client was there for a burglary. When shots were fired, Roberts took off, explaining why police have Roberts on a picture from a dash camera footage as they arrived to the scene. For days, the jury heard evidence in the case from Bernadette Gaudio, who told the jury she pretended to be dead as her home was ransacked. DNA experts who say Kelvin Roberts' DNA was on one gun connected to the crime, and the gun traffic ring both defendants were working in. Late today, the jury saw text messages from Roberts to Charles Fulforth, texts that were sent once police announced Roberts was wanted in the case. On December 8th, Roberts told Fulforth, "They call my wife, talking, to come to station. I told her don't go. Tags wasn't to the car." Fulforth responded to Roberts saying, "She's not going, right?" And then Roberts replied, "I'm sick. I'm done. Gotta make it to Jamaica, bro." The jury also saw ring video captured an hour after the home invasion, where Fulforth and Roberts were talking about the crime, including the shootings. The jury also saw video of those two men playing video games in a gas station not far from the home where Roberts was staying. Now, First Assistant District Attorney Ed McCann stood directly in front of those two defendants, saying today is Judgment Day. They no longer have their guns, their zip ties, or their bulletproof vests, but instead they have a jury, he told them, who knows exactly who you are. Those were his final words before the jury went to deliberate. We'll be waiting here and bring you the latest as it happens. For now, we are live in Norristown. Deanna Durante, NBC 10 News.